they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try.
So this is it mga kules, 10 steps away from their dining area. This is white, soft sand. Look at this view. So, see for cool. Mga kules, this is it. The trip is around at least 6.5 hours from Bangkok all the way to our resort, which is the Sunshine Resort. Is it? Am I right? The Sunshine. This is our room. Again, I always want to share with you the room, and I want to give you a tour because I want you guys to, to think that traveling is actually affordable if you do it right. So again, this is New Year, peak season. Paid a little bit more, but actually it's still cheap. This is our room, and it has a garden view.
Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone.
This is 1,800 baht a night with breakfast, free internet, and of course kayaking you can also do here for free. And this is it. Welcome to our humble abode. Good for two. The reason why we paid 1,800 baht a night because it's New Year. If it's low season mga kules, this room actually would only cost you around 1,000 baht or 1,100. Yeah, during low season. So this is it. Nice. Actually, I like our room better than Billy's. The inside, interior. Yes. So this is our bed, of course, with free towels. So I like it. Again, it's firm. And we have here, this is our stuff mga kules. Sorry if it's a little messy. We have a little sofa, di ba? Thanks. Pero syempre, we're not gonna use most of these things because we will be on the beach. And mini fridge with 2 bottles of water for free. And we have this cutie corner decoration and curtain. I like it.
It's fan and air conditioning, so you can have
Yes, side table.
Yeah.
And, ooh,
Dressing room with
we have.
the side.
Wow. We have a tiny cabinet. And here's the bathroom. Spacious. Ooh, Billy got better bathroom though. But it's okay. It's still spacious. It's big. It's big. Look, kakules. Look, it's big. It comes with the hair dryer. There we go. And shampoo and shower gel. So this one is, it's got sea view. And again, this is peak season. It is New Year. So this room cost 2,100 baht a night. So again, I asked the receptionist. They said if it's low season like May, June, July, August, actually the price, almost all accommodations here in Kokud are half, or at least you would pay half the price compared to peak season. So ito yung maliit na, wow, kakaiba siya oh. Pax, ayan, maliit na wardrobe with 4 hangers and a cute tiny safety box. And ang taas ng refrigerator. 2 bottles of water for free. Ayan. So again, this is good for 2 people. Queen size bed. Ayan, very basic, simple. Pero ang pinakamaganda dito, mamaya I will show you the view. Sea view. Table with a drawer, tissue, 2 glasses. Actually, the bathroom is almost as big as the main bedroom. It's very, very spacious. Ito, separate shower room. The best part, mga kules, of this room is this. The camera will adjust as we go outside. So yan mga kules, later I will show you a drone footage.
You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happy tonight. can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show.
And these are my two beautiful boys. Woo! What can you say, mga kakulest?
Cheers to you, coolest.
We just got here an hour ago and
We're drinking.
already drinking.
Waiting for food.
Fish, omelette, hot dog and ham, pancit, or noodles. And this is the salad area for health conscious. Carrot, papaya, dragon fruit, and different kinds of dressing. Porridge, chicken soup, coffee area, coffee bar. There are actually a lot of options.
Yeah.
So good morning, mga kulas, from the beautiful island of Cocod. So this is it. As I promised, I am going to share it with you. Your breakfast menu. So first, I want to see and try the porridge. Lugaw. It's actually tasty. It's fish. Look at this fish porridge. It's actually good.
Chicken broth.
I took a little bit of everything. And of course, I put mine chili powder because I love spicy. Almost everything I eat, I put chilies.
In America, it's noodles. Really?
Stir-fried fish with chilies. Really good.
Yeah, it's okay. I had some of that too.
Wow. It tastes like sea
I don't
bass.
think it's bass. It's not. It doesn't have.
Again, mga kuls, as you can see a while ago, they have a lot of food to choose from. Scrambled eggs.
I'll eat those.
You know, it's good food.
Or free breakfast.
Yeah, and if you are a big breakfast eater, you're gonna love this place.
Okay.
It's very sweet. Dragon fruit. I'm not a big fan of dragon fruit. I think it's a tasteless fruit, right, honey?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. But again, they said it's healthy.
Sweet.
This one is
Okay.
actually sweet. To my left, there. That's the beach. That's the view. Eating while watching the beautiful beach of Ao Prao. We've been here many times, and the reason why, it's because this island is just beautiful. So please don't come here. You're not gonna like it. It's just for us, charot. I'm kidding.
Will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by.
So this is it, mga kules. 10 steps away from their dining area. This is white, soft sand. Look at this view. I am definitely sure that Cocod is the most Instagrammable island in Thailand. At alam nyo ba, mga kules, ito nakikita nyo, this is actually common. Most of the beaches here have this, what do you call this? Instagrammable things, or kind of like a photo area, a photo place for you guys to enjoy. It's quiet and peaceful even though it's peak season. There's actually a lot of people when we got to the pier, but then again, when you go to the beach, when you go to the resort, you barely see people, and it's beautiful. This is the perfect place to shout and to, you know, if you are going through something painful in life, this is the perfect place to, you know, mend your broken heart. So this is it. 2 years ago, I had a picture at this thing. This one, and it's still here. This is why I love Cocod. You get the perfect view, you get the perfect peaceful, quiet ambience, and you also get pristine water. Oh, look at this. How clear is this water? It's almost like drinkable, you know what I mean? Woo, woo, woo. Living the life again. Living the life. Coolest teacher diary. Woo, woo, woo. See, super cool. And later we're gonna do kayak. And again, we're gonna go to different beaches here in Kokod. And in the morning, mga kakules, you can do kayak here for free. A good place to run or jog. Yeah, if you want to do that every morning, perfect. Because it's not busy. It's hard to explain, really. This island is just very, very, very nice. Besides Instagrammable areas here, it's just quiet, beautiful, stunning, stunning island. I hope you enjoyed this short tour and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for subscribing and please comment below.